Microsoft Teams is where you will find the workspaces for your different projects and teams, which you can create or be added to. Each team has its own channels and will allow you to communicate with the team members. This video will give you an overview of these features. Currently, I have the Teams button selected. From the navigation pane, I'll click on the Smart-Apart team. This team's channels will now display under the team name in the navigation pane. To hide the team's channel, click on the team's name again. I'll click on the team name again to display its channels. Each team is made up of different channels, which are located below the team name. A default channel called General will be automatically created for every team. Note that some channel names in the navigation pane may appear in bold text. This indicates that you have something unread in that team. Under the team Smart-Apart, I'll click on the General channel, and now displayed in the central workspace is the channel's conversation thread, showing any channel meetings, shared files or messages. And you can use the scroll bar on the right of the application to scroll through the channel's activity. Note that the start of the thread is at the top, and at the bottom of the thread are the most recent messages. On the left of a post added to this channel will be the avatar of the user who made the post. At the top of the post is the user's name, the date and time the post was made, below that is the post itself, and at the bottom of the post is the option to reply. Note that if you hover over the avatar of a user, a window will open displaying that user's information. At the top of each conversation thread for any given channel are tabs that you can use to reach different parts of the channel. The tabs Posts, Files and Wiki are default tabs and will automatically appear for every public channel that is created. When the Post tab is selected, displayed in the center of the app will be the conversation thread. If you click the Files tab, you'll be shown any files that have been shared to this channel. And the tab Wiki will display a blank page, which you can use to draft, edit and chat all in one place. Any other tabs you find displayed here have been manually added by a member of the channel. Note that in a private channel, the Wiki tab will not be a default tab, and only the Posts and Files tabs will be automatically added. At the top right of the channel is the visibility information of the channel. If I hover my mouse over Team, a pop-up message appears, stating that channel content is only accessible to team members. To the right of this is a Meet button, which you can click to start a channel meeting. If you click the drop-down arrow to the right of Meet, a drop-down menu will appear with the options to meet now or to schedule a meeting. I'm going to click away to close this. Next is an eye icon, which when clicked will open a side pane on the right, showing this channel's information. I'll click on the eye icon again to close this. Finally, on the far right is a More Options button displayed as 3 dots. Click this and from the menu you can customize what channel notifications you receive. You can pin the channel, manage the channel settings, get the email address of the channel, get a link to the channel. You also have the option Connectors, which allows you to connect apps to a channel, so you can receive updates about that service directly to that channel. And finally, the option to open the channel in the SharePoint application. I'm going to click away to close this menu. This has been an overview on navigating teams and channels in Microsoft Teams.